Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Remainder.
What does the dictionary say?
The difference between a function or a number and an approximation to it.
Math rap.
You don't need superpowers or x-ray vision. It's the amount left over after division. You get a remainder when the first number doesn't divide exactly by the other number that you provide.
Math rap.
Explain remainders in your own words. If you could only pick 3 subject areas to learn in school, what would be 3 remainders that didn't make your top 3 list? Food left over on your plate after a meal is a good example of remainders. What remainder of food do you leave after a meal? Why? No one likes to see food wasted. Strategize. What can we do to make sure we never have a remainder of food on our plates? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!